The Palm is back, and this time it's much smaller. With a 3.3-inch display, the device has a pretty sleek look to it. This is the gold tone, but it also comes in silver. On the back is the 12-megapixel rear camera, and on the bottom is the USB Type-C port. It comes packed with a Snapdragon 435 processor and runs Android 8.1 Oreo. You can use it to browse any apps, including social media apps like Instagram, and stream music using the service of your choice, whether that's Spotify or Apple Music. In addition to the rear camera, there's also an 8-megapixel front-facing camera that you can use to take selfies with. But one of the core features of the device is light mode. With the screen off and the feature turned on, you won't see any notifications popping up unless you tap on the display to wake it. You can toggle this feature on and off by swiping down on the display and tapping on the palm tree icon. But if you do want to receive alerts, you can also choose how long you'd like it turned off for, whether that's 1 hour or 3 hours. In terms of memory, the Palm has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage for photos, music, and other content. With an 800 mAh battery, it should last you about a full day with light mode turned on. On the right side is where you'll find the power button and SIM card tray. With the Google Play Store available, you can download all of your favorite apps to easily access them from the display. The Palm is exclusive to Verizon and will cost $350, along with an additional $10 monthly fee for number share. The device will be available for purchase in November.